Hello everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in today. I am in Barcelona at the Fespa Global Expo, and it's absolute joy to be joined by Charlie Saunders of Tidy Merch. And we're on the Gelato Connect stand.
Yeah. We're over at the...
So busy.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah. But it's because we have free ice cream here, I think.
Oh,
yeah.
right, okay. It's the ice cream.
So I think software is maybe here, ice cream is here,
well,
you know.
There you go. You learn something new every day.
So,
we'll stop there.
Exactly. No, but huge honor to meet you here and have you here at the booth,
It's a pleasure.
obviously.
It really is a pleasure to listen and to talk to you.
Yeah.
So first of all, I guess, tell me all about Tidy Merch.
Yeah. Tidy Merch.
And yourself.
Yeah. Tidy Merch, we're a printing company, mainly focused on POD, based out 1 hour south from Stockholm in Sweden.
Yeah.
We started off just like everyone, doing everything, trying to buy a mug press, a screen printing press, a DTG printer, breaking down, buying a sticker machine, switching out, you know, forgetting what we were doing. So we're founded in 2018.
Yeah.
We had a few years of struggles, like everyone else, you know, sleeping in the back of the facility and trying to meet deadlines and paying the bills.
Yeah.
2022, we met Gelato.
Yes.
We started engaging in like super interesting conversations about the future of the printing industry, and you know where we were heading as a company, where Gelato was heading. Obviously, looking more into the software side of things. 2024, we implemented a lot of these ideas that were discussed previously with Gelato Connect. We onboarded the software, and from there on, we saw exponential growth in terms of our facility, including then our main decoration techniques, sublimation, embroidery, DTG, and DTF.
Yeah. And the growth was because you empowered the system. You connected the system seamlessly, and you knew what you were doing at every single point of manufacture, regardless of products.
Exactly. One system for all staff and all decoration technique. No matter if you're in shipping, if you're in picking, quality control, or production.
It's super smart to realize that, because so many people operate on legacy systems with outdated software, and they'll have 1,000 different windows open on the computer. And they're trying to do it through Mondays, or they're trying to do it through somewhere else, and it's just like, oh my God. It needs, in order to be efficient, agile, and effective, and for profitability, you've got to be connected. You've got to drop on that pin wherever you want to look at it, haven't you?
And that was what we realized. And when we were at fairs like this, in the beginning, I used to only look at machines, obviously, and I kept buying them. And at some point there, I understood, okay, I have to stop buying machines. I have to start investing in software, obviously. Exactly. So I started looking at softwares the same way I would look at a machine. I would go, I would ask about the cost. What can this do to my company, to my staff? How much can we, get out? What's the output per hour? And started really comparing it in that sense instead.
It's interesting how you'll shop differently for technology as well. Actually.
Exactly.
When you fundamentally know what you need it to do in the architecture of your own business model, really.
But so I started looking at them equally, really, and I think that was a ground breaking point for us, and obviously which led me here today.
Yeah, it's great. Well, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
So how many staff do you employ now?
6 people now.
Fantastic.
And the cool thing about that is, since implementing software, there's a lot of talk, about laying off people and this thing. We haven't laid off a single person. However, the big thing is for us, we've been able to double our revenue while keeping the same staff, making life better for them in terms of, financially, working hours, work health. So,
it's interesting, isn't it? Because modern manufacturing is very much about the culture of the business as well, and it's investing in your employees. But the software and all the machinery and the technologies that they use is an investment in the investment in the employees as well.
Exactly.
They're working with state-of-the-art technology that's built to make their lives easier. Really. But people, I don't know, have been in the past so threatened with AI and all of these other things that they think is going to take their jobs. But actually, if you have a curious workforce that is willing to grow and expand and work better.
I agree with you there, and I think for us using Gelato Connect, that has made me be able to keep people their jobs, because we've been able to feed in volume and maintain a healthy life balance in terms of enough volume to keep them on site, give them enough hours, but also to grow and accelerate in their careers too.
You're expanding the skill set of each and every employee, but as you say, with a really ethical life balance, really, because the software and everything's taking the sweat out of so many things that people didn't actually really want to spend their afternoon doing.
Exactly.
That's great. Well, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
That's brilliant, and keep on growing. I'm sure you will.
Thank you.
The right culture going on there.
We try to. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you, and thank you everybody for tuning in today. It's been a pleasure. Thank you.